What is the difference between reverse osmosis and deionized water? Have you ever wondered how different types of water purification affect the quality of what you drink? Today, we are going to be discussing the differences between reverse osmosis water and deionized water. Both methods aim to improve water quality, but they do so in unique ways. Reverse osmosis is a process that pushes water through a special membrane under pressure. This membrane acts like a filter, allowing only water molecules to pass through while blocking larger particles, salts, bacteria, and many harmful chemicals. The result is water that is highly purified, with up to 99% of dissolved salts and impurities removed. Typically, reverse osmosis systems include several stages of filtration. These stages often start with sediment filters that catch larger particles and follow up with activated carbon filters to eliminate chlorine and organic compounds. The final product is clean and safe for drinking, cooking, and various industrial uses. On the other hand, deionized water is produced through a method known as ion exchange. This process specifically targets charged particles, or ions, in the water. It removes ions like calcium, magnesium, sodium, chloride, and sulfate by swapping them with hydrogen and hydroxide ions. This exchange results in water that is extremely pure in terms of ionic content. However, deionization does not necessarily remove uncharged organic molecules, bacteria, or viruses. Therefore, while deionized water is very pure regarding ionic content, it may not be suitable for drinking without additional treatment. When comparing the two, the filtration mechanisms differ significantly. Reverse osmosis uses a physical barrier to separate contaminants based on size, while deionization relies on chemical processes to remove charged ions. This leads to different ranges of contaminants being removed. Reverse osmosis effectively eliminates a wide variety of impurities, including dissolved salts, bacteria, and viruses. In contrast, deionization primarily focuses on ionic species and may not effectively remove microorganisms or uncharged organic materials. In terms of purity levels, deionized water generally achieves a higher purity regarding ion content. However, it may require additional sterilization to ensure microbiological safety. Reverse osmosis water is also very pure but might retain some dissolved gases and uncharged molecules. The applications of these two types of water vary as well. Reverse osmosis water is commonly used for drinking water purification and general industrial applications. Deionized water is preferred in settings where extremely low ionic content is essential, such as laboratories, pharmaceutical production, and electronics manufacturing. In the context of air and water filtration for detoxification, reverse osmosis water filtration is an effective method to reduce environmental toxins and impurities from drinking water. This contributes to detoxification efforts by removing many harmful substances. While deionized water is highly pure, it is less commonly used for drinking and is more suited for specialized applications that requiring ion-free water. Both reverse osmosis and deionized water improve water quality but serve different purposes based on the types of contaminants targeted and the level of purity needed. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right water purification method for your needs.